So the next project we got here is a Kitchissippi Chair. It's an upright version of an Adirondack. Bit of a color by number, but it's for grade 10, so cut out a few pieces already, got a good start, and see if we can get her banged up. So lucky for me, before this outbreak, I had some students make up some gussets for their last project. So big shout out to Peter and Jonathan for saving me some time. It's really getting to be 10 for a haircut. Not as comfortable as I imagined. Oh, we're gonna call her there for tonight. Still prefer the old samurai stool, but like I say, it's a grade 10 project and hopefully a good money maker for the shop. Because I'm lazy, I left my marking gauge at the school rather than laying out all these measurements. Just drill through the second piece and voila, your layout's there. Put your drilled through piece onto the next piece and continue. Have to taper the back slats for the chair. Luckily these have to have screw holes in them anyway, so screw them down at an angle and send it, Billy. Yours for only 4 easy payments of $39.99. Wait, there's more! I'm actually gonna take it all apart, sand her up, put a finish on it, lay it out to see how many boards it actually takes to make this thing, and get her set up for a student project. So back at the shop, gonna do some repair work. These are supposed to be pilot holes. Not clearance holes on the front, so we're gonna see if we can plug them up. So the plan is to drill out the hole, cut a plug in some similar looking wood, glue it in. You know what they say, it's not about not making mistakes, it's how well you cover them up. So she's all ready to throw a coat on here. Got sanded to 120 and wiped off with damp rag with dust free, and here we go. So finally finished painting, B-side all done, ready for assembly. I'm thinking weird, it looks like I'm kind of short one of my slats. What's going on here? I look on over and oh, look at that. What do you know? First barbecue of the season. Get some burgers on. Thanks for watching.